add 7 minus the square root of negative 9 plus 3 plus the square root of negative 25. So the first thing we want to do is we want to simplify this square root of negative 9 times square root of negative 25. So square root of negative 9, we can split this up as square root of negative 1 times square root of 9. So square root of negative 1 is I, and square root of 9 is 3. So this is the same thing as 3i. And similarly, square root of 25 is going to give you 5 times I, correct? So now we can replace these into the original sum. So we want 7 minus 3i plus 3 plus 5i. So now the way to combine these is we want to combine the real parts together, and then we want to combine the imaginary parts together. So we want to add 7 plus 3, and then we want to combine negative 3i plus 5i. I'm just grouping them together under the commutative property of addition and subtraction. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. And then here, notice that they both have an I in common, right? So if I factor out an I, what's left over? Minus 3 plus 5 times I. And if you don't believe me, distribute that I back in and you'll see you're going to get the exact same thing. So now, finally, to simplify, we have 10 plus negative 3 plus 5, which is 2. And since there's no way we can combine these two, then this is the simplified form for our answer. And so we're done.